are the little chicks that we hatched right away. These are Randall's babies. How you feeling about that, sir? So they are hilarious. But I'm just wanting to introduce them to the rest of the house a little bit so they can explore. Because their space is a little limited, but the birds like to come in here and lay their eggs periodically through the morning. So I typically wait until mid-afternoon and I just let them kind of free range in the house for a good 4 hours or so, and then I'll open it back up. I'll close them back in their little enclosure, and then I'll allow the other birds to come in. But look at how beautiful these guys turned out to be. Oh man. So yeah, I'll be interested to see which ones are roosters and which ones are hens, or if all of them are roosters. I have no idea. Let's find out. You guys want to go outside? Look who's out there. You sure you want to go out? Sure? Randall? Okay, wanna go out? Let's see. Apparently they're all friends.
It's like, keep going.
The guineas are all up in the compost. Randall and Easter are having a date down on the porch. Where's Betty? Randall, where's Betty? Did you leave her behind? Are you choosing favorites? There goes Easter. She's ditching you. Do you have anything you want to say? Too busy. Rained all night, so they're out scavenging worms. Alright, so I'm bribing them with fruit. A couple little apples, but they're totally warming up to us. And look at how good they look. I'm so happy. They've been eating the food that we give them. You know, it's different than what they're used to, but they seem to be fitting in pretty well. He's testing you. He'll do circles around you. What a weird rooster. Okay, let the greenhouse project begin. Use these repurposed pine poles. Pretty exciting. Okay, so it's hailing. Feels like it's 30 degrees out. So cold. Look at all that hail. Not big hail, but man, it sent our ducks running.
Frank! Okay, let you go.
So this is going to be so cool, you guys. I'm over the moon excited to have a greenhouse right here. So he's going to work a little bit more on it, I think, in the next coming days. So I'll let you know how that goes. But honestly, I got to move this. I'm almost got this pile done, and then there's one more right there. And this guy doesn't really help all that much, do you, Randall? See you later, moose friend. Okay, so we're gonna go pick up a couple more little friends today. They're not ours though. We are just going to be fostering, but got the phone call today, and so we're headed to our favorite rescue center. But these girls, I gotta take this van. And Howard, you're gonna have to move your ladies. But look at them all, they love that it's been rainy. Any puddle they can find. All right, so the day has come. These guys now are free ranging. I'm hoping they've been kind of cuddling up with the turkey. So, and then Abby and Crosby have their chickens that they think they're gonna 4-H, maybe, that they've been working with. So we'll see. We're gonna bring the ducks up, the new little ducklings up, which I can't wait for you guys to see them. They're huge. But yeah, I'll show you. The turkey is in here. Of course, she's eating all their food and drinking their water. But I'm hoping they become fast friends because they're small enough still that I think she might take them on as like her babies, maybe? I don't know. We're gonna assess for a little bit and find out. All right, well, we made it up. And when we first put ducks in here, this whole thing was open for them, and Brandon cut a hole in the floor, and we put the water over it, and then the water, well, not all of it, most of it then drains onto the ground. The guineas are in here, if you can't tell. But yeah, looks like they might like the space, I think. All right, so this is what we got today. Lots of tomato and lettuce and cucumbers, and I think there might be some watermelon under there too. All right, got these guys out here now, but replaced them with different animals. Let's go check it out. All right, let's go in and see our new little friends. Okay, so we got the birds out yesterday, and now we brought a couple more little animals in. Now they're milk drunk. Silly little kitties. So we are fostering these kitties. There are many, many, many kitties around here that come into the rescue center that are just a couple days old, and mom has either been killed or abandoned them or what have you. And so we got on their list of people that would take some little kitties in. So why not, right? Let's order a couple more little kitties. Oh boy. Chickens can be tamed. Fun at the skate park. It's a little belated birthday day for the boys. So this is the greenhouse, or will be. So we've got 2 big garden boxes there and 2 over here. So this whole thing is going to be one giant greenhouse. Such a great night. This won't even capture it, but look at that moon. So cool. Good morning, you two. You can see how close they are to me. He does this. He knows that he kind of controls the situation a little bit, so he likes to come circle me a bit. But don't you worry. He'll get it figured out. You guys on a breakfast date? Beautiful morning. Turkey is not dead. She's bathing. Hummingbirds are out. All the little birdies are out. I think there's a bird nesting down here. Oh, was nesting, now has eggs. Gorgeous. Okay, so I turned my video off right as Randall was about to say something. You have something to say? Oh, now you're gonna be camera shy? Thank you. Not sure what she's doing back here, but she forced her way up onto the porch. What you doing back there? And now she's hiding behind my chair. I'm not sure why. She's a funny turkey. You fit back there? Just barely. She's pushing my chair. Alright, look at how cute these guys are. So these are our little foster kitties. We were just giving them their little bottle. Phoenix, what do you think? So this is Bonnie, and this is Clyde. And they are just the sweetest little things. And so we're getting them strong enough, healthy enough, so that they are able to go and be with their little forever families. But like, look at this little face. Oh, yeah, they're just the sweetest little things. This one looks like a little bear, it seems. Such fun little cuties. Finally getting all this compost into one centralized location, which is gonna be awesome. And look what Brandon finished. I'll take you in there tomorrow. It's like rainy and cold today, so it's awesome though. We got all of our planting done today, and now he is en route down to the compost pile. And that's where the compost pile is going to be, right down here. So we're gonna put all of the old bird bedding that we had outside of the pig enclosure and all the pig stuff from the old pigs. We're gonna make that the base layer and then put in, I think, the produce that we've got on hand, and then coffee grounds, and then we're gonna rotate it. So should be a good pile. She's steaming. Oh man. It's a hot pile already. That's all coffee grounds. Well, what a week it's been. So we've still got those bottle babies, and they're super fun. I don't know if we'll do this again soon, just because I like my sleep, but they are very sweet, and we're doing such a good thing for them, and I feel really good about it for the kids and just giving back to our community a little bit. So it's a pretty great organization, so we'll help out. But yeah, everybody's doing well here. Nolan's gonna finally get his car out and drive it around, be a 16-year-old. But we've just been outside enjoying all the sunshine when it's out, and we've been getting a ton of rain. So hopefully that will start to dry up and we can start getting on with summer. So hope everybody's doing well. And with that, we'll talk soon.